Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to have us here. In today's video, I'm going to teach beginners how they can upload an image on their YouTube community post. How they can make it, your YouTube community post is a session on your YouTube account which allows you to post like your regular social media account. And one thing that I've come to notice is sometimes as a beginner, you're starting out on YouTube, you may not have the time to upload videos, but still, whenever you upload on your YouTube community tab, viewers are able to have a taste of what you're trying to tell them. They're having to have a feel of what you're sharing with them. Either it's an image, either it's you sharing a link to your video. Whichever way, your YouTube community post allows you to do this. So today I'm going to teach you how you can share an image or a post like your usual social media content on your YouTube community post. So what I normally do, I have my image already handy because I got that image from ChatGPT, which I generated using a prompt that I decided. So you just go to your YouTube studio. If you check my videos, you'll see some videos where I taught you how to navigate your YouTube channel through your YouTube studio. So feel free to check them out. So let's go to our YouTube studio. So once you get to your YouTube studio, you want to go to your content. So from your content, you see this place that has post. Go to this post here. Then you go to this place that has create, tap on it. Then click on create post. Because I'm uploading an image, you click on image. You can also do image polls, you can do text poll, videos, whatever, quiz. You can just try it out, whichever one you prefer. So I want to upload an image. So I already have an image on my desktop. And here it's telling us that you can drag up to 10. So I have it on my desktop. So let's go there and get it. So, okay, now I want to upload this image. Let me go with this one. And then I click. But one thing is this I want us to take to heart. You see, because I uploaded something and it's not coming out the way it should by showing me everything on that image I uploaded. So I'm going to show you something you can do to reform this image and give you the right size for your YouTube upload. So let's remove this. Then we're going to this website. This website is my regular website. If you watch some of my videos, I already have a place where I taught you how you can access that website to resize your image. So let's go to resize pixel. So from resize pixel, I'm going to upload that image. So the standard image for community upload or community post on YouTube is 1080 by 1080. And when you use 1080 by 1080, your audience or viewers will be able to check your image or view your image from all angles. So it will fit both on mobile, on desktop, and on tablet. So that is the standard measurement when you want to upload your image, 1080 by 80 pixels. So resize pixel will go there and impute these numbers. When you get there, you uncheck this place that has fixed aspect ratio. So I want to impute appear on all devices, whether it's mobile, whether it's TV, whether it's a laptop or a tablet. You go to downloads, go to download. And it will now bring you to this place. It says download image. Then you can download it to your device and use whatever name you want to save it with. So I'll just put it on my download folder. Just save it whatever I want to. Let me say YT image. I'll now go to my YouTube channel. Then I click on image. click on image, then I upload the image I just resized from that website called Resize Pixel. All the parts of that image I already uploaded earlier on that remove some part of this image here, so it can show you everything. So once you're done with this, you just have to, once you're done, you post. One thing about me, it's easier to do it from your mobile. So most times I always do it from my mobile, which is very, very fast and easy for me. So I did it with a desktop. Probably some people may not know how it's done, whether it's from the desktop or whether it's from your mobile. It's still the same step, but you have more accessibility on how to go ahead to carry it out from your mobile. So if I want to schedule this post, I can schedule it. You tap here, but I want to post it immediately. So I have the post here on my YouTube community tab. So that's how you do it. Thank you very much. If you watch this video to the end, please do subscribe to this channel. Bye.